Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make Chainsaw Man in Melon Playground. Guys, hold on. The first way is to go in the workshop and go here and now. Chainsaw. You type in chainsaw, then download it. This is the one I just downloaded right now, guys.
Hello. What are you doing?
Playing.
Watching?
No. The second one is a little bit harder. You have to take a melon and you have to get these colors. Like this kind of light and put it on the melon sheets. Put these pants.
Yun ma'am, mo yung limagnet. Tama.
And now put the shoe.
Oo, dagdagan mo, kahit mga anim. Mura lang naman yun.
Now pause.
Calibration, sige ma'am.
And now get
Calibrated yan ma'am. Lahat ng time mo.
chainsaw. Tayo tools.
Sige ma'am. Volume 5 lang ma'am, di anim.
Right there. At this
Hindi, dalawa yung nasa ano natin ma'am, sa warehouse natin. Dalawa yung dating binili ko eh.
and I'll get another one.
Ay, di, kinuha natin sa labas yun ma'am. Dito yung sa may usip yun. Ay, hiniram lang natin yun ma'am. Hiniram lang natin yun. Sa iusod talaga yun.
Oops, sorry guys.
Di dapat anim ma'am. Online lang naman yung hanapin ko yung supplier. Anim dapat ng apat sa bago mo ma'am. Tapos dalawa dun sa may apat sa bago na eto ma'am. Tapos dun sa may cold storage natin dalawa. Ante-room pati yung freezer mismo.
No. Press the last.
Anim dapat. Okay ma'am.
Do this.
Anim. Tignan mo yan mo anim.
Anim kilo.
Kilo ha.
Uwi na kami ha.
Chainsaw Man is
Ay,
done.
sabi pa siya po.
Sabi mo sa balat namin
The end.